So here we got a new project. Starting on the headlight here. It's a bit busted, to say the least. This is a 2008 BMW 535xi or 535i X-Drive. Overall, it's in decent shape. It's got to get brakes, some interior work. Got some headliners to deal with. It's going to need a major detail. I got a lot to learn about this car. Never worked on a BMW before, but that's the fun of these projects. 6-cylinder, direct injection, twin turbo. There's 2 turbos buried down in here. But to get tags on it and drive it, you gotta fix the headlights before it's gonna go anywhere. So I took that screw and that screw out. Someone's already taken the 8mm retaining screws down there out. This has come out before. This has come off before because there are some missing screws. It's definitely had some tinkering done to it. Wiring is exposed over there, so going from Sweden to Germany. I'm still going to be working on the Saab on and off. There'll still be content for that, but I'm going to start working on this as my daily driver. And the Red Canyon is probably going to end up parked in the backyard. Save miles on it, so it'll stay looking young. This car has 175,000 miles on it. So we'll see what wears out, what has worn out, and what else we need to do.